This isn't just another courtroom moment, it's the unraveling of a desperate choice. Jessica Scott thought she could outsmart the system, but today, she's facing the consequences head-on. What drives someone to take what isn't theirs, need or neglect this moment?
Court is calling 2025 CR 012083 State versus Jessica Scott. Can I have parties announced?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Hillary Scott for the defendant.
And are you Ms. Scott?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Scott, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
What do you mean indictment?
It tells you what you're charged with.
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, sir.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cox,
Thank you.
did you review the court admonishment? It tells you your rights and the plea bargain agreement. All right, you're charged with theft of property, $2,500 to $30,000. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for in,
Isn't this a state jail?
yes, it's a
facility?
state jail felony.
But is this a state jail facility?
Yes, it's a state jail felony. So that, you want to explain that to her?
Might seem small, but it's actually huge. Jessica doesn't understand what an indictment is, meaning she's confused about the very foundation of her charge. And that tells us something deeper. How many defendants walk into courtrooms every day not truly understanding what's happening to them?
Did not send it.
He understands now, I believe, too.
All right, did you understand you're charged with a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Scott, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea punishment,
Every right the judge reads, to remain silent, to face witnesses, to have a jury, is a layer of protection. But by pleading no contest, Jessica surrenders them all. No cross-examination, no trial, no fight. Just trust in the system and hope the deal holds this.
punishment is to be assessed at 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. Under 1244, there's an $800 fine. State will take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution, if any, to Avis Budget Group. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, I do.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State offers State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, I did.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today The state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence state's exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, sir.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
This is asked the court to follow the plea agreement.
All right, why are you doing this?
I'm not doing anything.
No, why did you take a vehicle that didn't belong to you and damage the mirror and the roof? Because that's within the stipulation.
I left the car in the parking lot.
Well, according to the stipulations, the amount of restitution that you owe.
This is the quiet climax, no shouting, no tears, just legal precision. The evidence speaks, the stipulations seal the deal. The judge's tone doesn't change, but her words decide Jessica's next 6 months. In this courtroom, emotion doesn't win, paperwork does 6 months.
Let me find it.
And I think that includes the tires.
Mhm.
So she understands that, but just like, no contest. Taking responsibility for action.
All right, the court is going to sentence you to 6 months in the Bexar County Jail. Credit for any time served, there is an $800 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. Take in consideration 2025 CC 009934. There's to be restitution to Avis Budget Group in the amount of $950. There's to be no contact with Avis Budget. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, I did.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
Thank you,
Who's-
Judge.
Thank
You're
you so
welcome. Have a
much.
good one. You're welcome. Who's next?
$800 fine. No contact order. Jessica walks out, but not free, just finished. It's justice on paper, but morality in question. Should desperation ever excuse a crime? Comment below, would you have sentenced her the same?